No more Chinese SIM cards are needed to use Seedance 2.0. Topview has released one of the most powerful video generators on its platform. I will show how to create a video that can last from 15 to 300 seconds. I'll also show you what you can do when Seedance doesn't produce the result you expect. There are two ways to generate video with Seedance 2.0, a simple image-to-video method, and a more professional approach using Video Agent v2, where you can not only generate video, but also edit it. Let's quickly look at the simple method. On the left, select Video and then Image to Video. Here we see the standard interface typical for video generators: a start frame, an end frame, a prompt field, and settings for quality and video duration. But if you want to do more than generate a short clip, for example, create a full commercial or even a short film without leaving the website, remove unwanted moments, or add new shots, I'll explain step by step how to use it. First, we need to generate an image of a Nike fitness watch. Go to AI Image, select Nano Banana 2, choose the desired aspect ratio and quality, and write the prompt: minimalist product design render of futuristic Nike smartwatch. Then press Generate. Now we have an image for the first scene. I also generated another frame for the second scene. Now we move on to video generation. First, we select Agent on the left, then choose Start from Scratch. At the bottom of the screen, click Add Multi-Scene. A list of scenes appears. I want to make 4 scenes in total, so I add 2 more scenes. We need to add the generated references. Now we need to describe what happens in each scene. In the first scene, I want the fitness band to appear from darkness. I prepared the prompt in ChatGPT and paste it here. All prompts will be in the description. We also need to specify how the watch looks. After the word watch, type the symbol @ and select our watch reference. The last step is to choose the scene duration. I want this scene to last 5 seconds. Now we move to the second scene. Here the camera will orbit around the watch. Again, we specify how the watch should look in this scene. I set the duration to 10 seconds. In the third scene, we switch to a cinematic animation. A surfer jumps out of a helicopter and surfs the waves wearing our watch. I want this scene to start from the frame we generated earlier. So at the very beginning of the prompt, I type the @ symbol, select the second reference, and write "is the start frame." This scene should be long, 15 seconds. And in the final fourth scene, I need a simple logo animation on a black background. Paste the prepared prompt. The scene should last 5 seconds. Now, we just choose the generation settings. Since I received early access, I see options labeled Standard and Fast. Most likely you will see Seedance 2.0 and the Fast version. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose the maximum quality, 720p. After generating the video, I'll show how you can upscale it directly on this platform. Everything is ready. Click Start Generation. Let me briefly explain how this works. Seedance 2.0 cannot generate a full 30-second video at once. The maximum length is 15 seconds. Video Agent knows this and automatically asks Seedance to generate multiple separate clips. As a result, we get a timeline with several generated videos. What can we do next? We can edit the generated videos directly on the platform, remove parts we don't like, rearrange clips, or extend the video by adding additional generation. For example, I want to regenerate the helicopter scene because it clearly didn't work well. I copy the prompt, paste it, set the parameters, and generate again. I also want to regenerate the second scene. Let's take a look at the new generation. Since Seedance still didn't produce exactly the result I wanted, I will edit the clips to assemble a final version that works for me. I trim some parts, rearrange others, and eventually we get the final video. To export the finished result, click Export and choose Full Video. Now we can go to the Video tab and select Video Upscale. Upload the video, choose the desired quality, and press Upscale. Write in the comments what you think about the Topview platform and their great Agent V2 feature. The link to Topview is in the description.